8 degrees off its axis. Gravitational pull is all over the place.
Yeah, we got one advantage. He's coming to us. We'll use it.
All right, I have a plan. Or at least the beginnings of one. It's pretty simple. We draw him in, pin him down, get what we need. Definitely don't want to dance with this guy. We just want the gauntlet. Are you yawning in the middle of this while I'm breaking it down? Huh? Did you hear what I said?
Stop listening after you said you need a plan.
Okay, Mr. Clean's on his own page.
See, not winging it isn't really what they would do.
What exactly is it that they do?
Kick names, take ass.
All right, just get over here, please.